Other videos have looked at some of the financial trade-offs of the effect of claiming age of Social Security retirement benefits. This video is an overview of the software used to create most of those graphs and charts. Point your browser to the link shown on the screen. Remember, the software will likely have been revised since this video was created, so what you see may differ somewhat. The report type, the second row in this form, allows you to select between any of several report types. If you hover the cursor, you may see a short bubble help description of each. The default report type, monthly retirement benefit versus claiming age, is simple. Just enter a birth year and month and update the PIA if desired and click the Create Report button. This creates a chart, one row for each month where you can meaningfully start collecting Social Security retirement benefits. The monthly retirement benefit column shows what the monthly benefit would be if someone with the indicated birth year and month and PIA chooses to start collecting benefits at that month. Subsequent columns show some percentages that some people are curious about as they evaluate their options. This continues for 97 months, 8 years, and 1 month. Finally, there's a graph, and you can access details for each data point by hovering the cursor. The balance per month table is the topic of another video, so we'll skip that here. The optimum retirement claiming age summary table analyzes a lot of data. Switch the options from simplest to standard, and then we can add the COLA, cost of living adjustment, and an estimate of 2%. Each cell in this table evaluates the 97 claiming months to determine which is financially the best for the indicated combination of investment interest rate, the columns, and the age at death, the rows. The colors are gradated somewhat from yellow for the youngest claiming age, 62, and orange for the oldest at 70 years. The claiming age is in a year:month format. The final report type we'll look at is the actuarial table at the 62nd birthday. This is based on data from the Social Security Administration and breaks out the survival rate for men and women separately. The data is for Americans on their 62nd birthday. This shows, for example, that for all males reaching their 62nd birthday, approximately half will reach age 82. Clagess, which stands for Claiming Age Estimator for Social Security Retirement Benefits, is free, open-source software. It is hosted for free by GitHub, a widely known site for software repositories known by most software developers. Clagess is provided under the MIT license and can be freely used, copied, modified, with very limited restrictions. It runs in your browser on your computer without requiring installation. All of your data stays on your computer. None of your data is retained after you close your browser. Although GitHub, like most internet services, does record the IP addresses of computers that access its site. I hope you found this brief introductory overview useful. Please see other videos for more information on further capabilities of Clagess.